No, I'm taking a video, Madigan. It's December 27th, around noon, and we have about 2.5 feet of snow. This is Blizzard 2010. Puppies, they're enjoying it. Good girl, Frankie. Good boy, Wallace. There's the pond. There's Chris. There's the driveway. The plow hasn't been in yet.
Oh, sorry, totally missed it.
Oh.
I got him to jump in, and he jumped, and he just disappeared completely. Not even joking.
Where are the puppies? Wallace, come on through the snow, big guy. Let's see you go.
He's like
Oh,
he's hiding underneath the
are you hiding? Are you hiding, Wallace?
There's less snow.
No, look at him go. Go ahead. Jump. Good boy.